5 tips and need to know facts for first time buyers in 2025. Hi guys, it's Sam and welcome back to the UKMC YouTube channel, or if you're new here, my name's Sam and I'm a mortgage and protection advisor. Now in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my golden tips, tricks, advice and facts that you need to know if you're a first time buyer. So to avoid rambling on, here are 7 of my best tips for first time buyers looking to get on the property ladder in 2025. Now the first might be unpopular, but don't max out your affordability. If you're a first time buyer in the UK, maxing out your mortgage could potentially be a bad move. It's not just the monthly repayments you need to think about. You've got your council tax, utilities, insurance, and repairs ongoing to think about as well, and they all add up pretty quick. Stretching that budget too much leaves no wiggle room for surprises like your boiler breaking down or unexpected bills. Playing it safe with a slightly smaller mortgage keeps things less stressful and gives you breathing room and some space for saving, socialising and just enjoying parts of your life in your new home. Number 2, don't take out any additional credit during the mortgage application. Now until that application has been fully approved, do yourself a favour and don't go taking out any credit for a new car or anything like that. Lenders will closely look at all your credit history and your score, which means they're going to look at your debt to income ratio. By that, I mean how much your personal debt levels are to your overall income. And as we know, applying for a credit card can impact that score. Even a small reduction in that credit score, or any amount of new debt for that matter, could be the difference between you being approved for a mortgage or getting declined. And although it's rare, it is possible for a lender to rescind the mortgage offer until your day got those keys. And look, I've seen this firsthand. A client went all the way up until the day of exchange. The lender carried out a final credit check before releasing the funds. Bam, a 10 grand personal loan for debt consolidation. So you can guess what happened there. Just don't take out any more debt is all I'm saying. Moving on to the next one is use a mortgage broker. Now it goes without saying, but speak to a broker. Trust me, there's so much value in getting yourself a broker. We assess thousands of different products to find the best deal for you. And from start to finish, our team's gonna be there to guide you through all the way to completion. Any questions that you've got, we can answer, and we'll make sure you've got the best mortgage available to you. Now, I know most of you be sitting there thinking I can get a mortgage myself with a broker or someone I know can sort me out a mortgage because they've done it themselves. But having a broker by your side can be invaluable. But it's what we do day in, day out. So we like to think we know what we're doing. Number 4 is check your credit report. Now there isn't a strict minimum score you need to buy a house, but typically the higher the score, the better the chances of landing a more favourable mortgage deal. And by that I mean having access to more high street lenders and better mortgage rates. So check your credit score before applying for a mortgage. Understanding where you stand can really help you figure out if there's going to be any work to be done before you start the mortgage application process. And look, if you've got a low credit score, don't panic. You still can get a mortgage if your credit score is low, or even if you have no credit at all. Now we do have videos on this channel all about the ways to improve and boost that credit score, so we're going to leave them in the description box below. And finally, number 5, don't rush the process or try to stress. As a first time buyer, it's natural to worry about things that are going wrong because there are quiet spells in the home buying process, and it's normal for delays to crop up like wait times on local searches or waiting back from your seller's solicitor. Now if you need to put your mind at rest, just pick up the phone to your solicitor or your broker and don't sit there like I did, stressing about the entire process. Now I do have a free first time buyer guide which you can download using the link in the description box below. We'll make sure that's there. And as always, if you have any questions on anything we mentioned in today's video, please drop a comment below or give a member of our team a call. It's 01925 573 328. And if you're looking for your first mortgage and you're buying your first house, good luck with it all.